everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my March Vellabox, my candle subscription. I'm so excited. If you know me at all, you know I'm obsessed with candles. I have them going all the time and I absolutely love Vellabox. So Vellabox offers 3 different subscription plans. I get the one that's most expensive, so the $30 one. The prices range from $10 to $30. So I think you can hopefully find something that fits your budget. And also I do have a promo code to save you $5 that works on any of the subscription plans, so you can get your first box as low as $5. So all the candles that come in Vellabox are from local artisans in the United States. They're all made in small batches. They're free of all toxins and yucky stuff, and they have great burning time, and most importantly, they smell freaking amazing. I love the candles we get every month, and I can't wait to see what's inside. We also get a bonus item in each of the boxes, and when you get your box, it'll always come in this bright, fun yellow box, so you know when your candles arrived. So I'm going to link Vellabox down below, and I'll also list that promo code. Definitely take advantage of that if you're interested in the subscription. I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on that ends at the end of the month. If you have not yet entered, definitely check that out after this video. But yeah, let's get started and see what candles I got. When I open up the box, this is what I look like. They always have a nice, like, cute quote, and you can actually take that card out and you can do whatever you want with it. But it says, "It was one of those March days when the sun shines hot and the wind blows cold, when it is summer in the light and winter in the shade." Charles Dickens. There is it up close. So it's really pretty. So yeah, I'll show you. You can just take this out and then maybe stick it somewhere, do whatever you want with it. But it's a really pretty card, and they always have great quotes. Like I said, I get the $30 subscription, like the Revere, I think it's called. And in this one, I get both an 8-ounce candle and a 4-ounce candle. In the $10 subscription, you get just the smaller candle. And then the $20 subscription, you get the bigger candle. And then in the one I get, you get both, the $30 subscription, and all of them, you get that bonus item, which I have right here, which we'll get to. And the candles always come in these reusable drawstring bags that are different every month. I always try and repurpose them somehow because they're great quality and they're cute too. So here is the card that comes with it. So it'll talk about the company and then each of the candles. So it looks like our candles come from 76008 Candle Co. and they're based out of Aledo, Texas. And it says, The Scoop, a family-run business operated out of Aledo, Texas, offering eco-friendly candles. Every candle is hand-poured using 100% natural soy wax, cotton-braided wicks, and premium fragrance oils. Each candle purchase goes towards helping someone who may need an extra hand. Please ask them how. Oh, that's nice. So what should we start with today? The small candle or the big candle? How about we start with the big one? Ooh, so this candle is Lavender and Bamboo. It's this all-natural soy candle, hand-poured in Aledo, Texas, and it's 8 ounces. And that is the label there. Oh, smell test. Oh my god, lavender and bamboo is a great combination. Oh, smell-o-vision. I gotta make my dorky comment like always. I wish you guys could smell. Every month I try and like pick what one I like the most, so we'll see what the next is. I always fail, I always like them all. But let's see, so lavender and bamboo, the fragrance notes. The top notes are eucalyptus, bamboo leaf, and sage. Middle notes are fresh lavender and Indian jasmine, and the base notes are cedarwood, rose sugar, teak, and moss. It says, if your day starts to feel heavy, unwind with this candle. The calming and relaxing scent of lavender mixed with bamboo will whisk those troubles away. Smells so good. Now let's move on to the next. Ooh, this one's green tea and cucumber. Has a similar label. Love the colors. Oh, that sounds like it would be refreshing. And it is. Oh my god. So we have like relaxing and refreshing. Okay, let's read about this one before I talk about what I think I like the most. So the fragrance notes, it says top, green tea, and the middle notes are cool citrus and melon, and the base notes are cucumber, musk, and cedarwood. It does smell like cucumber melon with like some green tea. Oh my god, it smells so good. It says it's the ultimate fresh scent to ring in spring. Top off spring cleaning by burning this candle. Your space will never look, smell, and feel so good. Oh man, you guys, it smells amazing. And I have to say, I actually have a favorite this month. They both smell so good. But this green tea and cucumber, it's just so good and refreshing. And it kind of reminds me of like childhood. It's like, you know, cucumber melon from like Bath and Body Works, but like better. I love it so much. And then our extra item, I think we've gotten something from them before. I like it. Luxe Apothecary Energy Essential Roll-On. It says, for full product information, visit kateandco.com. Let's smell this. So we get another fragrance item. I can't really smell it over here. Is that, so it's energy. It actually does seem like it has a citrus scent. So I'm just gonna roll it on right here so I can get a better scent. Oh my god, yes, energy is a perfect name for it. It has a citrus scent that is definitely uplifting, and this will last a while. Oh my god, I might have to like throw this in my purse like when I'm on the go and feel like low energy, you know? I can just roll this on, smell better, and get a little boost. So awesome, this is a great bonus item. I think this was a great month. You guys, I seriously love every single month so much. Smells so good. So again, all the information for Vellabox will be down below along with that promo code. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing Vellabox with me. I hope you are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.